Deposit. Si Lola niya, yan yung OOT natin.
Who makes laws?
Good luck, Korea. We love you.
Yeah, so mag-check out kami 9:50 na. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming vlog. Today's video, nagluluto kami ng aming dinner. Meron tayo ditong pork belly. Ayan, in-fried ko lang siya guys. Ayan, binabaliktad ko na kasi nilagay ko yan. Yung sinet ko pala sa 30 minutes guys. Sa aming air fryer. And then, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So, ayan. Binalik ko ulit. And then, after 30 minutes, ayan na siya. Ang sarap. Ang bango-bango. Ayan, hinihiwa ko na siya guys. Ayan. Gustong-gusto ni Mr. Pork belly. Sarap siya. Ang kusina, pansit, and kay hubby is brownies. Pansit. Malapit na maluto yung pansit. Ating pansit. Time with hubby.
Yep, good food.
Here's our dinner. Ayan, luto na ang pansit natin. Makulay na pansit. Shrimp. And then pork belly. And hubby got brownies for us. Let's eat guys. That. Oh,
Yeah.
sumptuous dinner.
Yeah, but someone doesn't want to eat a brownie.
I will eat later. That's my dessert.
I get dessert in the beginning.
Oh my god.
The next day.
We're almost here. Yay! Hi guys. So papunta kami sa hotel na stayhan namin for a night. And then tomorrow is my citizenship interview. We are here in our hotel guys.
Hey.
Sure stay. What is it? Best Western.
Best Western.
Plus.
Short stay plus by Best Western.
Yeah, so we are here. We paid for our early chicken.
Yeah.
$15. Not bad.
Yeah, but it's a $200
Deposit.
deposit.
Namin, simple lang. Room tour muna tayo. Ito yung AC nila. Merong
Wow.
lamp dyan. Tsaka, of course, andyan si Mr. Linis siya. Ito yung bed niya. Sila. They have the light here, and then they have this little closet. And ito yung meron silang TV, flat screen TV. Ito yung mga gamit namin. Meron silang chair dyan. And buksan natin. Microwave and fridge. Then drawers, walang laman. And then ito yung bathroom. Malaki yung bathroom nila. Ayan si Lola niyo. Ayan yung OOTD natin today. Meron silang coffee, Keurig. Ayan, Keurig. Mag-coffee tayo. soap, and towel. Yung sink maganda. Yung shower, bathtub nila guys. Maganda siya, simple lang, pero malinis. Meron ng shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Meron dito lalagyan ng, meron silang plancha. Meron din silang hair dryer and towels and toilet paper. Ito lang, simple lang siya. May tatlong switch dito. And si Mr. Hi guys! So after namin magpahinga ng kaunti ni Mr. sa hotel, we decided na hanapin yung USCIS Support Center. Nasa 4 minutes away lang din pala siya guys sa hotel na sinisihan namin. Para hindi kami bukas mawala sa aming landas, charot. Kasi 10:45 AM yung schedule ng aking interview. So super windy pala ngayon today guys. Sana bukas hindi siya ganun ka-windy at hindi ganun kalamig. Andito pala kami sa parking lot ngayon ng USCIS. We are here in the hotel and somebody is...
What?
Yani.
Yes, you are.
What are you doing?
I'm fat.
Showing his tummy. Yeah.
Yes, I'm fat. Okay. With yellow teeth.
You have yellow teeth.
Love you, love.
I don't have yellow teeth.
I know, I do. Because I suck.
I have nice teeth. Say hi.
Hi.
What kind of hi is that?
I know, I'm playing that
I'm
game.
studying right now. I'm reviewing because later on somebody will gonna ask me question.
No.
Question time?
No question time.
Ay, ito na pala guys yung binili ni Mr. sa akin. Yung sa Amazon in order niya. Maganda siya kasi meron siyang ganyan. Ayan, dividers. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng documents, photos, additional documents. So, dito lang kami sa hotel, nagpapahinga. Nagpapahinga kami ni Mr. Galing kami doon sa USCIS. We're here outside. Ito pala yung outside ng hotel namin, guys. Ng shampoo nila guys at saka body wash at conditioner, mabango din at saka ano siya, paraben free and yung ano sulfate free siya. Yeah. Ganda yung shower nila. Maligo. Fresh na.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. What is the capital of your state?
Sacramento.
What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now?
Mike Johnson.
Who is your governor of your state now?
Gavin Newsom.
What are the two major political parties in the United States?
Democratic and Republican.
Who makes laws?
Congress.
If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The vice president.
Who does a U.S. senator represent?
All people of the state.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
What is the political party of your president now?
Product. Tapos na guys, mag-review. Perfect po. What can you say?
You're gonna do great, love. You're gonna get them all correct.
Thank you.
All 7 of them.
And then, you're tired ha? I'm doing this every day.
Every day. Let's do question. Let's do question. Let's do question.
Yeah, because look at that. It helps a lot.
I'm so tired.
Good luck, Korea. We love you.
Bye.
Cheers.
A few minutes later.
Tapos na tayo mag-ayos guys and mag-check out na kami soon. So, ito yung attire ko. Then yung shoes ko is yung shoes. And then may blazer lang ako. Yeah, so mag-check out kami 9:15 and it's 9:05. Ayan, light makeup lang. So, see you guys later. Balitaan ko kayo. Ito yung pa-blazer natin, guys. Check out na kami ng hotel. Ready na?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, we didn't forget anything.
No, I got everything.
Yeah, we got everything.
Don't get your glasses.
Bye, guys. See you later.
See ya.
Wala yung labas ng hotel.
A few inches later.
You got it? Congratulations, love.
Thank you. Yay! I passed the test.
What did you do today?
So guys, andito na yung aking perfect margarita. Parang 3 glass talaga yan siya guys. Butin lang hindi ako nalasing. And si Mr. hindi talaga nag-order ng alak kasi ayaw niya uminom pag may trabaho kinaumagahan. Ako meron din pero kering-keri. Nag-order lang siya ng Dr. Pepper. So nag-voice over pala tayo kasi ang loud ng pa-music sa restaurant. And andito na pala yung ating appetizer. Nag-order kami ng Buffalo Wild Wings with ranch sauce na may pa-celery side siya. And then andito na yung ating main dish, Alfredo pasta. Ang kay hubby ay sirloin steak with mashed potato and broccoli. Got a gift from hubby. Kate Spade. What is this, my love? Oh, nice bracelet. How are we gonna put it on? Thank you, love.
Welcome, my love.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome, my love.
Love it. See ya in my next vlog. I will share my experience during my citizenship interview.
Topsy